You are well familiar with how to get the equation of the parabola and four different types of the parabola. Let us consider one question which is based on the condition like this. The focus is -1 comma -2. Equation of the directrix x minus 2y plus 3 will be equal to 0. And if this is the parabola, if you want the equation of the parabola, we have taken a general point as x comma y. Do you remember? And this is nothing but the PM. So your first PF is equal to PM. That was the first point. Now PF is a distance formula. How to get the PF? Correct. X plus 1 the whole square plus y plus 2 the whole square. PM is a perpendicular distance formula. Again take care of that. Here this equation of line is x plus 2y. So do you remember this is the point, say x comma y. I am looking at this another situation because in this figure you will get a little confused like this. Now this is plus 3, plus 3. X1 y1 is nothing but xy. A is 1, b is -2 and c will be equal to 3. So ax1 1 into here it will be this is x, not this x, -2 into this is y plus 3 the whole divided by a square means 1 plus b square means 4. Now this can be square like this, x plus 1 the whole square, so root will it will be x minus 2y. You know this is 25, can be shifted on this side. Just simplify a minus b plus c the whole square. Do you remember this formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca. For this question only in class 8th you have learned the identity a plus b plus c the whole square. Just pause the video and just confirm that you are getting the equation of the parabola like this. Equation of the parabola like this. Okay. Now the next type of question. The question will be asked, find out all details about the parabola whose standard equation will be x square plus x square will be equal to 6y. Now try to recall all different types of the parabola. Right opening, left opening, open upward, open downwards. Identify which is this one. And back of the mind you can just draw the simple figure over here which is not a standard figure. Something like this also. Always use this technique to get the answer. Now my next question is, what is the standard equation of this? Correct. How many of you are recalling? X square is equal to 4ay. Now compare. 4a will be equal to 6 and a will be equal to. This is most important step in the question. Most important. Then you can get any answer. This is vertex. Vertex is 0, 0. Now focus. Here it is a focus. Do you remember the focus of this? Correct. It will be 0, comma a. So 0 will be 0 and a just now you have obtained. Equation of directrix. Always try to recall about this one. X is equal to minus a. Is it x is equal to or y is equal to? Y will be equal to. Therefore, this is about standard. I should write like this also. Look here. This is about standard. This is the final answer. This is about the standard parabola. This is about this. Y will be equal to minus a. Y will be equal to minus 3 by 2. Length of latus rectum. Suppose I am asking. Then 4a. A is known to you. A you can put 6. Are you following? Getting this point? Length of latus rectum. Can anyone recall length of latus rectum? Here what was the point? Something comma a, correct? 2a comma a and minus 2a comma a. A is already, a is the important. You should get a correct. Now this is, it will be 3 comma 3 by 2. Here it is minus 3 comma 3 by 2. Is it everything will be asking in the exam? No. By giving this expression they may ask you focus, they may ask you equation of directrix, they may ask you length of latus rectum and so on. Anything. One more question. Equation of axis. This is the axis. X will be equal to 0. X will be. So this kind of the questions will be there. This kind of the questions will be there. So what is the basic things? Looking at this, comparing with the standard one and identifying that answer. Okay. See the next question. Y square will be equal to minus 12x. Identified. Where is what type of the parabola is there? Correct. It is leftward opening. Correct. This is leftward opening type of the parabola. This type. Okay. Now what is its standard equation? Y square is equal to minus 4ax. Compare, get the value of a. A will be equal to 3. One part is over. Half of the work is over if you do like this also. Now vertex 0, 0. It will be 0, 0. Focus. Can anyone tell over here? This is the focus. This is the vertex. So the focus will be over here. It will be minus 3, 0. Equation of directrix. Recall this equation of directrix. It will be x is equal to a. Therefore, it will be x is equal to 3. Connecting this. Endpoints of the lattice rectum. Endpoints. This is minus a. No. So it will be 2a, minus a. It will be minus 2a, minus a. Replace. It will be 6, minus 3, minus 6, minus 3. Length of lattice rectum 4a. It will be nothing but 12. Equation of axis. Equation of axis is nothing but x-axis. That means y will be equal to 0. Y will be equal to 0. So likewise you can answer any question. Now let me go further and talk about this is one more question. Equation of the parabola passing through 2, 3. Now try to understand this question properly. 2, 3 will be somewhere over here. Equation of the parabola passing through. So one student can say this will be this type of the parabola. Another student may think about this is this type of the parabola. There are two possibilities are there. So this question till here it is given, then it is incomplete. So I should say the equation of axis of the parabola is nothing but x-axis. So once I have talking about x-axis is the equation, then this will be nothing but the standard parabola. What is that standard parabola? Y square is equal to 4ax. Now this parabola is passing through which point? 2, 3. Replace 2, 9 over here. 4a over here it is 3. Simplify, you will get the a value. Find out the a value is 9 by 2. Is it okay? 9 by 2. So if you, and once your task is to get the value of a, because once you are getting the value of a correct, then y square is equal to 4ax. In this equation, replace a is equal to 9 by 2. So I think you will get like this. Check. Here 9 by 12, no? 9 by 12. 4, here it is 9 by 12. So if you simplify, you will get 9 by 12. 4 3s are 12, and it will be 3y square is equal to 9. Is it okay? So this is. Now two more questions will do. Just quickly let us consider the first 8x square. Its equation will be equal to minus 5y. So presently this equation is not in a standard form. So I should write like this. But again this is also not a standard form. Standard form is this pattern. Look here. Now think about a standard equation. X square will be equal to, so this is nothing but opening downwards, x square will be equal to minus 4ay type parabola. So compare now, x square will be equal to minus 4ay, sorry, now comparing minus 4a is equal to minus 5 by 8, a will be equal to 5 by 32. Once you are getting the value of a, you know further, vertex will be 0, 0, this is 0, a, equation y will be equal to a, and all. You have to use standard remark of this all parabola and replace the value of a. Now last question, y square minus 4y will be equal to minus 4x. Do you remember? This question I am going to partly explain, not completely. Now completing square method. If you remember, I have added over here, it will be minus 4x plus 4. Now it is y minus 2 the whole square will be equal to minus 4. You can take out common, x minus 1. So this is the parabola of this type. Which type? Y square means it must be open left hand side parabola. Open left hand side parabola. This is this type of the parabola. So if I am talking about this is capital X and this is capital Y, capital X is equal to 0, capital Y will be equal to 0. So if you compare this value, Y value will be equal to 2 and X value you will get 1. So the vertex in this case is 1, 2. Okay. So and if you compare this one, A value, if you identify, A value in this case is 1. So length of latus rectum will be nothing but 4A. That will be nothing but 4. That will be nothing but 4. So you should not think about this is nothing but the shape of origin type of the parabola, but rest of the questions you can manage. I think you will get most of the question based on the concept of the parabola. Okay, thank you.